iba na yung guest sa next. Of course, we have our winner over here. A big round of applause, of course. Damian, can we have you in the center, please? We do want to show our appreciation to all of you. Now, we will, of course, be giving you our recognition. I believe we have a special plaque for them as well, so can we bring that up? We have a recognition for both of them, for our dear Dongyan family. And of course, we do want to do a quick photo op in the middle as well. And we have a very special...
Tuwa talaga sila sa product. Siyempre, kinakausap ko sila kung tungkol saan yung produkto and then binibigay namin sa kanila. Talagang na-appreciate talaga nila yung dito Wowfy na yun. Dahil nasa remote areas kami madalas sa show na Amazing Earth. So madalas nasa mga probinsya kami. At gaya nga sabi ni Sir, halos mga 80% na ang coverage. So talagang sakop na sakop talaga yung mga pinupuntahan naming mga sulok ng Pilipinas dun sa Amazing Earth. Kaya very much appreciated ang dito Wowfy.
But of course, this is not just for remote locations. Eh, kasabi nga natin before, especially during that October event, sa bahay rin, di ba Marian? Especially with the
Syempre
family.
naman. Pero ang ganda lang kay Dong, kasi kahit nasa trabaho siya, kahit saan pa sila magpunta dun sa Amazing Earth niya, palagi niya nag-update with a video call pa. Di ba? Na malinaw kami nag-uusap kasama ng mga anak ko. Pero syempre sa bahay din, kailangan din namin yan. Ito yung sinasabi namin na perfect talaga sa aming, alam mo yun, yung perfect bonding namin with the family kasi mahilig kami manood ng movie eh. Kaya alam mo yun, talagang perfect night talaga to sa amin. Palagi. No? Ang mga assignments din ng anak ko, kinakailangan talaga ng magandang internet.
Especially, of course, for assignment. I have a little sister who is 11 years old. So, nakita ko rin na kailangan, iba nga yung mga bata eh. Online, no matter where you are, the assignments get sent. But we know that it's going to be a new year and you know, internet's very important for everybody. May exciting plans ba kayo for the holidays?
Meron kasi, well, para sa amin, very meaningful itong holidays na paparating dahil we're gonna celebrate our 10th year anniversary on December. So, yeah, we're just happy to share the news with you and yun, isi-share din namin yung together with our family and some close friends at yun.
Pero sa totoo lang, yung mga bata yung sinusunod namin, kung ano yung gusto namin at gusto nila na mag-enjoy sila, talagang yun ang gagawin namin.
Sorry, I know it's all very heartwarming, but I do have to say, I just remember watching your wedding. It feels like yesterday. And then now, bilis na panahon. Can we give them a round of applause? 10 years together. And honestly, we hope that you have 10 years and more with Dito. Before, of course, anything else, before we let you go, do you have a very special message or any message to our Dito Sens here today?
Siyempre, again, maraming salamat sa iyo. It's been such an honor to work with Dito this year to bring Dito sa Puso Ko campaign to life. At ngayon nga, hindi lang dito sa puso ko, kundi galing dito sa puso ko ngayong Pasko. Kasi ito po yung kauna-unahang campaign namin because it's about celebrating connections, it's about empowering communities. Kaya po kay Sir Eric, kay Ma'am Eve, Sir Jenboy, Sir Jasper, Attorney Adele, ayan po, sa lahat po, to the entire Dito family, maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala sa amin. At syempre, sa inyong commitment sa lahat ng ating subscribers. It's been an amazing year and we hope to continue this incredible mission together with Dito.
At syempre gusto natin pasalamatin ang mga kaibigan natin sa media na narito. Nasaan na sila? Ayan, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta niyo sa Dito at syempre sa amin ni Dong. Sabi nga namin ni Dong, sa tibok ng puso namin, dito lang talaga kami.
Dito. At sa mga Dito Zens, di ba, speaking of Dito Zens, salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtitiwala dahil kayo ang inspirasyon ng Dito to strive for better, faster, and more innovative services. Kasi you are the heart of everything. Dito talaga yung sentro. You're the heart of everything we do. Dahil galing sa puso namin, pinabati po namin kayo ng Merry Christmas. And of course, and a Happy New Year.
Beautifully said. A big round of applause for Ding Dong Dantes approach, Ryan Rivera. Thank you so much. Now, before we, of course, let you go,
Dito sa puso ko.
Please stay on stage, everybody. a big round of applause to all of our all-star cast today. Thank you all so much for joining us. We do want to take a quick moment to appreciate everybody here on stage. Speaking of, we do want to acknowledge more people and bring it up as we do near the close of the evening. We call our beloved executives, Sir Eric Alberto. One more big cheer for Alamat. Thank you so much for joining us. We now have on stage, of course, Dong Yan. You know that is Myron Rivera. Thank you so much for joining us. It's an honor and pleasure to have you. Maraming salamat. Please, of course, take a seat. Take a seat. First of all, marami akong tanong. I have so many questions. But before we get to anything else, kamusta naman kayo? We know you're very busy. How are you doing?
Hi Vince, good evening. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas! We're so happy to be here and witness all these performances. Siyempre, higit sa lahat, makasama po kayo. So, saya.
Grabe nga energy. Napapansin ko nga, napapasayaw ka rin in your seat.
Ibang klase. Concert eh. Concert level. Iba talaga.
It's always an honor to see, of course, our fellow Filipinos, excel. They always have a lot of talent. Speaking of talent, congratulations, Marian. Best Actress, of course, Rise Our Awards, Esquire. Please, bigger round of applause. Best Actress.
Thank you. Sino na dito nakapanood? Ayun! Salamat sa inyo.
Ozzy, thank you all so much for
Si
being
Vince, ba
here.
gusto nyo makitang sumayaw ng dito?
Kung gusto nyo makita na matapilok ako, feeling ko matatapilok lang ata ako.
Niki.
Mga kaibigan dyan, of course. Thank you. Si Nikki, next time, ikaw mag-demo dyan mamaya. O, mamaya. Kain ka muna. Sige, kain muna. But of course, all kidding aside, we do wanna thank you all for being here. You're both touted as, of course, by the way, the last time I don't remember the last time I cried as hard compared to watching your movie, Rewind. Of course, ma'am. Di ko alam kung mag-thank you ako o magsasorry ako kasi wala akong reaction nun. Puro iyak na lang ako nun. But of course, again, you're both multi-awarded. You're all multi-talented. So I think it's only a good fit that you go to the #1 rated multi-awarded network. How does it feel to be the ambassadors, both of you, of Dito?
We are truly grateful to be part of the Dito family. Imagine, sabi nga ni Sir Eric, ni Ma'am Eve kanina, di ba? Rated #1, not just once, but twice. Di ba? At hindi lang yan, fastest network pa. So, alam mo, it just goes to show kung ano yung commitment ng company na yan to providing quality service to our Filipinos. Kaya it's just heartwarming for us and we're deeply honored to be part of this company. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. And congratulations on these milestones.
Ako naman, sobra akong nakaka-proud. Can you imagine, 3 taon pa lang ang dito pero grabe yung success nila. Grabe na, alam mo, yun yung extension nila sa mga taong nangangailangan na hindi kinakailangang mahal. Pero nandyan sila para i-support yan ng mga needs ng mga Pilipino. So yun yung pinakamahalaga sa akin na hindi lang sila nag-iisip para sa kanila, pero pangkalahatan para sa pangangailangan ng mga Pilipino.
At ang ganda ng offers nila. Isipin mo, I mean, again, like you said, 3 years pa lang. 3 years pa lang. Level Up na, of course, they have their Level Up packs for as low as 99. May 7 gig pa with a bonus Prime video. So, of course, we hope to see all of your material there as well, both their performances. Sulit talaga, di ba, Marian? So,
Oo naman. Familiar ka ba sa mga plans nila?
Ikaw,
Kaya sabi mo may 99, alam mo ba may level up ng konti. May 388 sila. Only na, 5G yun. Tapos may 100 GB ka pa na data. Vince, walang patayang internet to ha. I'm talking about dire-diretso, walang interruption. Mag-i-enjoy ka watching movies, pagtulong mo sa anak mo sa mga assignments nila, as in, all the way. Ganon sila.
I love it! Grabe yung energy nyo! But of course, speaking of energy, I had the honor of seeing so much energy from the crowd. Last October, we launched, of course, yung Dito Wow-Fi. And I have to say, nakakatuwa at nakakatawa yung presentation mo sa mga kasama mo. Of course, how did you go about the whole Dito Wow-Fi shoot, the home Wow-Fi, of course, with